Alright, so today we are going to look at the first four problems of biweekly contest 138. The first problem is find the key of the numbers. We are given three numbers, num1, num2 and num3, and we are asked to find an answer such that each digit in the answer is the smallest digit from the three numbers. So basically, if this is the first number, second number, third number, by the way, it is said that we have the numbers as assumed to be four digit. If it is not, then uh, we have imaginary padded leading zeros like here. So here the answer will be the minimum digit from among the three digits for every position, right? So this will lead me to a zero answer. There might be scenarios where suppose I get 077. In that case, I would need to ignore the leading zeros and my answer would be 77. So we can do it in a pretty simple simulation approach, which will be O of n. We will not even O of n, actually O of 1, because only 4 digit is what we need to process. So we'll have our answer here. And I'll traverse from I is equal to 4, or actually 3 to 0. It's fine. I can go in either direction. Alright, so right now I need to get the digit for every number, and that should be the minimum. Initially I'll keep it max, that is 9, and I will keep on minimizing it. Alright, num1 mod 10, and now I'll divide num1 by 10, and I copy this 3 times. And alright, so now I have the minimum of the minimum possible digit that is there, but which position is what I need to figure out. Uh, which position does this digit contribute to? Which I can figure it out from I. So right now I is 3, which means I'm in the first position, which means I want, let me get a sub answer or something like that. In that, let me initialize it with the power, which is initially, probably let me do it in the serial order, ascending order. So I is what I need here. So right now sub answer is 1, great, which is great because I will just let me just multiply it by digit plus answer, and I will give the answer to sub answer. I mean answer to answer. So this, if you find this tricky, just try to simulate it, dry run it with one of the other examples. It's pretty simple. Um, and this is what is we are going to return, and the time complexity is O of n, space is, sorry, O of 1, and time space is also O of 1. Yes. Let's see if this works. Alright, this is taking too much time. Oh my god. Okay, folks. Second question. We are given string s, length n, integer k, and we are basically asked to do a couple of things. Uh, basically we are asked that n is divisible, we are told that n is divisible by k, and that substrings of n by k we need to hash it. How we are going to hash it? There is a algorithm that or method that they have mentioned that we need to do. Basically, for that substring, we are asked to find the sum of those ASCII values. So every S is a character, so it has ASCII values, right? So the sum of that modded by 26, so that is within bounds. Let me take this example and show it what is the same. So S and K, here N is 4, so it is divisible by K. C, D. So we are asked to get the substrings of n by k, that is 2 in this case, and we are asked to find the ASCII sum of the ASCII values for that particular substring, which is for this group separate. This one will give me 1, this will give me 5. But what if this was a z, or actually this was a z? In that case, this will give me 25, and this will give me total of 26, which is out of bounds. So I will bring that in bound by doing a mod, and this already is within bounds. This will indicate, since we are modding it, this will always be within 0 to 26, and we are going to find the answer as the character value back from the ASCII value. So this is going to represent A, this is going to represent uh, I believe F, yes, F. So EF is my answer. So essentially we are going to iterate windows of those substrings, and that window size is K, and let's do it. String answer. Actually I don't need N for anything else, so I will not have it. Alright, so if I plus 1, that is the first string, the second string, and so on and so forth, is mod, its mod with k is giving me 0, which means it's divisible. I will also have a sum to calculate the uh, the sum of the ASCII, which I'm going to calculate it here. This is the sum, and I'm going to add it to the answer, converting it back, and by the way I need to mod it. So sum equal to sum mod 26, and answer is equal to char of sum. Actually I can do it here itself, I don't need to do it separately. Alright, sum mod 26, and that is going to add a, there is going to be an addition of a, because I am converting it back to the character, and I am going to reset the sum back to 0, and that's it. Actually I need to plus equal to, because I'm appending that to the string answer. Let's see. This works. I'm sorry I got a sore throat today. The time complexity is O of n and the space complexity is O of 1. Let's submit it. Right, this works.